In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ClickUp down error and what to do when ClickUp is not loading or not working properly. This is a quick and simple troubleshooting guide that helps you confirm whether the issue is on your side or if ClickUp is actually experiencing a service outage. This is especially useful if you rely on ClickUp for task management, team collaboration, or project tracking and suddenly can't access your workspace. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes and tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first thing you should always do when ClickUp appears to be down is check whether the problem is widespread. Open your browser and go to downdetector.com. Down Detector is a real-time outage monitoring website that shows reports from users around the world. Once you're on Down Detector, use the search bar at the top and type in ClickUp. Click on the ClickUp result to view its status page. Here, you'll see a live graph that shows reported issues over the last 24 hours. If you notice a spike in reports, that usually means ClickUp is experiencing a service outage or partial downtime. Scroll down to read recent user comments. These comments can give you a clear idea of what's going wrong, whether it's login issues, server errors, or the app not loading at all. If Down Detector confirms that ClickUp is down, there's not much you can do except wait for the ClickUp team to resolve the issue. In this case, avoid repeatedly logging in or resetting your password, as that won't fix a server-side problem. Now, if Down Detector shows no major outage or only a few reports, the issue may be related to your own connection or device. This brings us to the next step, which is retrying your connection. Start by refreshing the ClickUp page or restarting the ClickUp desktop or mobile app. Sometimes a simple refresh is enough to fix temporary loading errors. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network, and if possible, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to see if the issue persists. You can also try opening ClickUp in a different browser or using an incognito or private window. This helps rule out browser cache or extension conflicts. If you're using the ClickUp app, close it completely and reopen it, or restart your device for a clean connection. In many cases, retrying the connection after confirming there's no outage will get ClickUp working again within minutes. Once ClickUp loads successfully, you should be able to access your tasks and projects as normal. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix the ClickUp down error by first confirming a service outage using Down Detector and then retrying your connection properly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick fixes, software tutorials, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.